now children, today let's start with chapter number 10, water resources. So in this chapter, we will study about water resources. Our earth is unique because 3/4 of its surface is covered with water. That is why what we call it water planet, and it is the gift of nature. Life is not possible. Life क्या है? Possible नहीं है on earth without water. So we use water in many ways. One of the important uses of water is for irrigating crop in the field. Farmers need plenty of water for irrigation. So we use water in our daily life for drinking, cooking, bathing and washing. Right? Water on the earth is present in the form of ocean, river, lakes and spring. And water is also found in the depths of the earth. It is as underground, same and subsoil water. It is evident from the fact that nearly 70% of our body weight is due to water. हमारी body में क्या है? 70% water है. Right? Our water resources are limited. Our main source of water is rain. But rain in our country are not very regular. We get most of the rainfall in the month of June to September. कब होती है बारिश? June से September. And there are many areas that you did not receive any rainfall. So we have various projects that have been developed by government. First is canals, most important source of irrigation. Man-made channels हैं, which are dug out from the far-off field. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu had a good network of canals. Canals irrigate vast area of land in our country. We have important Western Yamuna, Ganga, Ghagar and Gandak Canal Uttar Pradesh, Indira Gandhi in Rajasthan, Periyar and Mettur Canal in Tamil Nadu. Right? Next we have wells and tube wells. They are used in the area where underground water is easily available. They are important means of irrigation in the fertile northern plate where water is too deep and Persian beels are used to draw out water from the wells. They are mostly used in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat. ये कुछ states हैं जिनमें इनका आप use करते हैं. Tanks, hills, hilly और plateau regions में होती है. ठीक है, they are generally used to irrigate field in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Tanks are dug by the people, so you can store rainwater over here. Dams and multi-purpose project. So we can say another method of providing a regular supply of water to the field is building dam. They are the barrier and they are the steels to block the flow of river. So we can say electricity generated from water is called hydroelectricity. यहाँ पे आप क्या करते हो? They are useful in many ways like multi-purpose project. भागरा नागरा डैम जो आपका सतलज पे बना है, ये हाईएस्ट डैम, ये 500 मीटर लॉन्ग है और 226 मीटर क्या है हाई. A dam created a huge गोविंद सागर लेक, ये बिगेस्ट मैन मेड लेक है. ठीक है, आपसे पूछा जाए मैन मेड लेक तो कौन सा है? गोविंद सागर है. राइट? हीराकुंड डैम ये आपका महानदी पे है, ये भी लॉन्गेस्ट डैम है आपका वर्ल्ड का. राइट? मोर ओवर वी डिस्ट्रॉय द लाइव्स ऑफ सेवरल थाउजेंड पीपल. जो बड़े बड़े डैम्स होते हैं उससे क्या होता है, जो वास्ट एरिया फॉरेस्ट का दे नीड ऑफ द आर टू गो स्मॉलर प्रोजेक्ट जो चीपर होते हैं एंड दे आर फास्टर टू. मोस्टली क्या होता है, उसका मिसयूज करते हैं, उसको पॉल्यूट करते हैं. Right? In many areas, people have to bring water from long distance to meet their domestic needs, and therefore we should conserve our water resources effectively and efficiently. हमें अपने water resource को effectively and efficiently बहुत अच्छे से करना, use करना. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.